Guys, look at this beast. It is from Italy. It's absolutely stonking. It's an Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4. It's the factory APRC, so it comes with loads of kit as standard. We do so well at Jordanbikes on these because, to be honest, the bike sells itself. It's fabulous. But we'll get to the nitty-gritty in a second. It is a 2017 on a 17 plate. It's only done 3,510 miles. New in June of 17. Extras, aftermarket product is the ASV levers on this one. Really nice. So, once the cameraman's finished just looking around, the actual dash on these are fabulous. Full colour display on these, and they actually connect to your mobile phone as well. So they use a system called V4 MP, so anything you see on your display also shows up within your mobile phone. So if you do need a friend who just wants to see everything, so you just click on dashboard and you can bring up absolutely everything that this does as well. Just click on that and it goes through average speed, lead angles. So you can see there, we've got lead angles on there, we've got roll on throttle and absolutely everything, even down to the braking itself. It shows you. Don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it does show you on there. So it's a little bit bright. However, it does do everything. I'll show it here. So you've got your brake in there, and then your throttle going the other way. And just for an added extra, if you push both together, also got launch control. We all need a bit of launch control. Anyway, guys, let me give it a quick start up for you, so you can hear this V4 engine. Wow, absolutely fabulous. Anyway guys, enough of all the extras. I've not even touched or even scraped the surface on this. It's got loads of stuff. Bob down to Jordanbikes, we'll have a chat with you about it, or simply give us a call. Cheers.